Edward, you idiot! What's wrong with you?
My hair.
Oh my god, my hair needs spiking!
My hair needs conditioning.
Oh my god, that is so gay!
My nostrils.
Oh my god, this is so gay! Hey, welcome to Big Brother anyway! Hey, I think I'm gonna fart!
Oh, you better not.
Wait a minute.
You are so gay.
I'm gonna fart! I know it!
No, don't fart. Don't fart.
I'm gonna fart, I'm telling you! Edward, I'm gonna fart! Fart in the hole, bullseye!
That absolutely stinks.
I think he's gonna die now.
Bitch.
What is wrong with you,
You might as well
Edward?
just get a cognac up your ass.